Hello everyone, I'm going to try something new today. So I have here with me the M1 V5 VIA from MONSGEEK. So I kind of want to do a little unpacking video. I also just wanted to show reason why. I had this old crosshair here, spilt a little soda on here, and then just started flickering and crashing out on me. So it was time for a new one. I was missing keycaps anyways, but what I really liked about this one was the volume knob was kind of nice. Had the play buttons for the media, which was really nice. Lock and different keys up here, and it's like all halfway aluminum. The bottom is plastic, but the top's aluminum. So, but that was my first keyboard that I ever bought, at least for this device, for my PC. But then after that, I've been rolling with like this old Dell, little wired, cheap thing that I just got from Goodwill for like $2. Been rolling with that, so it does the job. But it's like it was like that was like a Nissan Altima with like a cool wing on the back, and then moving to this is like a 2002 Honda Civic. It does the job. It does the job, which is all I needed for time. But I been slowly looking at some mechanical keyboards, and this one seemed to be really customize friendly, and I just wanted to test out different things and kind of get into the game a little bit. So this one's like got the all aluminum, and it's a little hot swappable, so it should be a little easier. But I also got the creamy purple actually. So yeah, anxious to see how that is. I kind of wanted something tactile. I know a lot of people like their linear, and I think that's what that one was. It was a cherry red, so very linear for video games and stuff, and it worked very well. But I don't know. I always felt like I wanted more of a feel to it, a little kickback, a little I don't know, a little vibe to it, So but I haven't opened this up yet, so I'm anxious to see how this is and how it turns out. So yeah. Alrighty, let's go over the package a little bit. So as you can see on this side, and then up here, you can see that I have the creamy purple switches right there. And then right on here, we have this side. I kind of like this side. It's a nice design. That's pretty cool. I like that design. That's pretty nice. And then innovation at your fingertips. So that is the outside of the box. Let's open it up and see what we got on the inside. Alrighty, well that's pretty nice, as you guys can see right here. Kind of like that. Let's see, anything on the back? No, just kind of plain on the back. Let's check it out. This up a little bit. I'm really excited, y'all. I didn't get anything special, and I want to change the keycaps. So, but it is what it is. Ah, man, I like that. That's a nice presentation, don't you guys think? I like that simple. Let's see what we got underneath. At least something to greet me with. Oh, that's pretty nice. It's the small things. Yes, it's a meaningless piece of paper, but it's a nice meaningless paper. So I adds to the presentation. And plastic over this too. I really like that. I really like that. There's just an extra casing or something like over it. You never know. Just some more protection. Better. It shows they actually care. A little bit. So. But as you guys can see, looks just like that. So, yeah. Boy, that's a hefty boy. That is a very hefty boy. We were going to slide this backwards. We're gonna set that down right here. Oh, I fell over. Get back over there, buddy. Back that up a little bit so you guys can see everything. Let's take a look at this. See in here in the big bar. Let's see what we got in here. Alright. Oh, there is the USB. Connect that. It should have tri-connection, so there should be 3 different ways of connection. Looks like I have some extra screws and other things. I have still a lot to learn, so nice little black coiled one. Nice. This is pretty nice. Very simple. Very easy. Nothing too crazy. Like that it's got a coil on it, though. I was wondering if I was gonna get one with a coil. So. Oh, for to change my keycaps, I will need this soon. I will definitely need that soon. Let's see what else we got. Oh, for the keycap, or for the switches, right? Help me pull out the switches. What else we got? Oh, there's some of the creamy purple switches. 5 extra. Nice. See what else we got. This thing just keeps pulling out. There's just more and more in here. I think that's that, isn't that? So that should be empty out of the box. And then it looks like I have some. Looks like I have some white. Oh, that's pretty cool. Got a little cat paw right there. Got the, I don't know how to pronounce it. Akko? A-K-K-O? I'm not sure. Oh, that's a nice little flower right there. But yeah. Cool. Nice. So I can switch up the coloring, hopefully a little bit, give it a little more white and black feel, you know? So, and then, looks like we got this. And then we got this. Looks like that's got all of our goodies in there. All the good information we'll have to read. RTF, always RTF. RTFM, sorry. But yeah. We'll need that. We'll have to go over that in a little bit. But alright, time for the good stuff. Alrighty, let me move this that boy. Alrighty, I've been waiting for this. Man, this thing is heavy. Look at that. Pretty nice matte finish on that. Underneath. Oh, that's pretty cool. Simple. I know a lot of people want like a fancy weight on the back, but I'm not really worried about it. I'm not, that's underneath anyways. I just want to make sure it'd be easy to customize, man. That looks super nice. Man, that thing is heavy. It's like a brick. Holy cow. Alright. I like how the size of this, like compared to this thing, man, that gives me so much more room. Look at that. That's just so much more room. Here, I'll go the other way. You know, you can see that. It's just so much extra room there. That just, oh man, that's so much more real estate I have to work with, man. Oh, okay. Let's see how this turns out, man. Oh, that feels nice. I like the placement. I like how my fingers feel right in those grooves, man. They just, they feel right in there. I like that. Oh, I like that. I get a little feel with that. Oh, that's nice. Man. I know it's now no Lamborghini or anything, but man, this is nice. I like this. This is like a, oh man, this feels nice. I like that, man. Oh. Here, I'll get the mic a little closer. But I think that sounds really good so far. So I wonder how easy it is to just like pop this out of here. Probably should read the manual on that. Yeah, probably should read the manual on that. But man, I am very pleased with this so far. I'm going to hook this in and see if this, make sure everything works, see if I can't set it up and everything. So I hope you guys like the unboxing so far. But yeah, this is the M1 V5, the version 5 of the M1, and it's the VIA. So I'm guessing that is, not quite sure. I'm still learning, but I think it's a software program for the keyboard that it can use. So, but yes, very happy with this so far. So I really like the look. I like the feel. Um, I don't know. It seems just really nice. Really nice. I kind of really want to take a look inside and stuff. And get this set up. So, alrighty. So I just took this knob off here, and then it should just pop up like that. You gotta put a little force to it and whatnot, but yeah, this is the insides of it. It's looking really beautiful. Pull out and got two switches there. I know there's like gaskets and stuff below it that we can change out and change up and stuff like that. So I will have to look a little bit into that. So I think I'm gonna exchange some of the keys for some of these white keys real quick. Make it look a little bit better with the black and white. I thought I wasn't gonna like the keycaps. I really didn't when I saw them in the pictures, but these keycaps aren't that bad. They are not that bad. So I do think I am still gonna change them though. So and so far, after a little playing around with it, um, seems pretty nice. Let me give you a little test run. But yeah, just you can see nice little purple light up colors. So I don't know. I'll play around with the settings a little bit later. See what I can get and yeah, customize it to my liking. But so far, I am very well pleased with this thing. This thing is rock. Yeah, I really like the typing feel. I really like the switches. I like it. Everything else so far. I just have a problem with the driver. It seems trying to update the driver. That's the only problem I have so far. But you know, I'll tweak and play around with it, and I'll figure it out eventually. So, but yeah, this is the um M1 V5 VIA. Hope you guys enjoyed. So maybe I'll do a little another video on maybe some customization that I do, maybe some cool keycaps or something like that when I switch everything up, and I don't know, stuff like that. I don't know. So thanks for watching, y'all. All right, bye bye. Have a good day.